I'm doing this now. I can't let drop the ball. So I started. Instead of the normal hymn, I started Nkosi Sigelela. That was the brief, remember? And everybody at assembly, especially the teachers, the students sort of like knew what was going to happen. And the teachers were like, and I just started the Nkosi Sigelela, and the students followed. The principal was like, what is happening now? And all the students went up with the placards. And we got a direction from CAT and the other leaders to say, now we are marching out.